This is the head that I have. You can see I have overfixed it. And now I bought this and I want to unpack it. So of course, you can find almost anything on YouTube. So I went on YouTube and did my research and I was able to couple it up. Now I will be dropping the link that I used in learning how to do this in the description of this video. Okay, so you can see that I actually ordered this from Aliexpress and it was only $2.73, and here are all the specification of this ring light. I think it is cool. What do you think? So if you have your ring light on a tripod that the connection of the ring light to the tripod has issues, don't throw it away. It can be resolved. All you need to do is get a new ring light and then you follow the link that I'll be dropping in the description to know how to fix it on your tripod, and voila, your back is new. If you enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to this great channel, please do click the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, and check out this next video.